day is here. I cannot believe we're at this point already. Since your beautiful proposal on my birthday, time has flown. It's hard to put into words what this day means to me. Memories from the last 10 years keep coming to mind as a celebration of our relationship and the amazing times we've had. Today will not change how I feel about you. They cement the years we've had and prepare us for the wonderful times ahead.
I'm so proud of who you are and who you will become together, where you've become and who you promise to be in the future. I'm so proud to be able to stand next to you today and every day from this day forward. I'm so proud to be able to be your husband. I'm going to do my best, as hard as it is, to enjoy every moment of today, as I know it will be the best day of my life. I hope you can do the same, and we can share these memories until we're grey and old.
Don't breathe. Yeah. Put it in. There you go. Perfect. Thank you.
Right, let's go get married. Let's do it.
I vow to practice gratitude every day for you, our daughter, our families, our friends, and the wonderful life we have together. I vow, as your husband, to practice patience, understanding, and be sympathetic towards you as we face our challenges together. I vow to support you in your aspirations for yourself and our family. I will be selfless and prioritize your goals as I do my own with equal weighting, and do everything I can to help you achieve them. I vow, as your husband, to prioritize communication in our relationship and help us build a foundation of trust based on mutual respect and support.
There you go, can you see it? There you go. You can take that.
Stand still so I can take a photograph. Thank you very much.
I vow to bring you a moment of happiness each and every day, because I love to hear your laugh, even when it's been a long day. I vow to shut the kitchen cupboard because it really is an accident waiting to happen, and I'll try to do better. I vow to challenge you and encourage you to be the best that you can be. I choose to be with you now and forever, to support you and our families, to be your best friend and your wife forever.
Thank you. In the presence of friends and family, I, James, take you, Lonneke, in marriage and to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Lonneke, take you, James, in marriage and to be my lawfully wedded husband.
And with this ring, I vow
to love, honour and respect you all the days of my life.
That James and Lonneke, Lonneke and James. You are, wait. You are now finally married, the Prudential husband and wife.
Did it?
You mean I kiss a break?
Nope.
I love you now and forever. Happy ever after. Your James, love your husband. Oh, that's sweet, isn't it? Very sweet.